Have you ever wondered what the future of the fashion industry might look like? The fashion industry has always been a fascinating blend of art and science, a playground for creativity that's continually evolving. From the humble beginnings of hand-sewn garments, we've come a long way, embracing the power of machinery to revolutionize manufacturing processes. Now, as we've stepped into the digital age, we're witnessing the dawn of yet another game-changing era in fashion. The future heralds a new vanguard, one that blends technology, creativity, and sustainability in a manner we've never seen before. Yes, we're talking about three-dimensional printing, the next big thing in fashion. Imagine a world where you can print your own clothes right at home, tailored perfectly to your body. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it's closer to reality than you might think. How will 3D printing redefine fashion? Let's delve into some striking examples. Iris van Herpen, a Dutch fashion designer, stands at the forefront of integrating 3D printing into haute couture. This visionary artist is bending the boundaries of what's possible in fashion, creating an entirely new language of design that fuses technology and artistry into a breathtaking spectacle. Van Herpen's approach to fashion is as unique as her designs. She doesn't just create clothes, she crafts wearable sculptures that are intimately connected to the human body. Her designs are not just about aesthetics, they're about challenging the status quo, pushing the envelope, and inspiring a new wave of fashion innovation. At the heart of her creative process is an unyielding curiosity and a willingness to experiment. This is where 3D printing comes into play. For Iris, 3D printing is more than just a tool. It's a creative partner that allows her to bring her most audacious ideas to life. She was one of the first designers to incorporate 3D printing into her collections, and she has continued to use it in groundbreaking ways. Her iconic Escapism collection, for instance, featured intricately detailed 3D printed pieces that looked as if they had been spun by spiders. These pieces were not just visually stunning, they also represented a new level of complexity and precision that was previously unthinkable in fashion. But Van Herpen's influence extends far beyond her own collections. She has inspired a whole generation of designers to explore the possibilities of 3D printing. This has led to a wave of innovation that is changing the face of the fashion industry, from mass production to bespoke creations. Iris van Herpen's work is not just about creating beautiful clothes. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, challenging conventions, and reinventing the future of fashion. Her work is a testament to the power of creativity and innovation. It's about envisioning a future where fashion is not just about trends, but about expressing individuality and breaking free from constraints. Van Herpen's work is a clear demonstration of the transformative power of 3D printing in fashion. Her designs are not just garments, they are visionary statements that are reshaping the future of fashion. Moving from haute couture to sportswear, Adidas's Futurecraft 4D is a game changer. As we delve into the world of sports gear, it becomes evident that Adidas is not just following trends, but setting them. With the Futurecraft 4D project, Adidas is using 3D printing to revolutionize sneaker manufacturing, blending technology and fashion in a way that was once only imagined. The Futurecraft 4D project is not just about creating a new shoe, but about rethinking the entire process of how shoes are made. It's about taking a step into the future where customization isn't a luxury, but a norm. The beauty of this project lies not just in its end product, but in its process. Imagine a world where your shoes are not mass-produced, but crafted specifically for you, where each shoe is designed to cater to your unique needs, whether it's support, comfort, or style. That's the world Adidas is striving to create with the Futurecraft 4D. Using 3D printing technology, Adidas is able to create a midsole that can be tailored to the specific needs of each individual wearer. This means that the shoe can provide the exact level of cushioning, support, and performance that you need, whether you're a professional athlete or a casual runner. This level of customization is not just about comfort, but also about performance. By tailoring the shoe to the wearer, Adidas can help to enhance athletic performance, reduce the risk of injury, and even prolong an athlete's career. But the benefits of the Futurecraft 4D project go beyond the individual. By using 3D printing, Adidas is reducing waste, cutting down on production time, and even lowering their carbon footprint. This is a step towards a more sustainable future, where fashion and technology come together to benefit not just the individual, but also the planet. The Futurecraft 4D project is just the beginning. It's a glimpse into a future where technology and fashion are intertwined, where customization is the norm, and where sustainability is a given. Adidas's innovative use of 3D printing technology paves the way for a new era in sportswear. This is not just a step forward for Adidas, but a leap forward for the entire fashion industry. The future of fashion is here, and it's being shaped by 3D printing. So, what does all this mean for the future of fashion? Well, let's take a step back and digest the main points about 3D printing in fashion. Firstly, 3D printing is set to revolutionize customization in fashion. Forget about small, medium, or large sizes. Imagine a world where your clothes are tailored to your precise measurements and preferences, down to the last millimeter. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's the reality that 3D printing is ushering in. By creating a digital model of a garment, designers can tweak and adjust every aspect to fit the wearer perfectly. The result? Clothing that fits like a second skin, and fashion that is a true expression of individuality. Secondly, 3D printing could be the answer to the fashion industry's waste problem. Traditional methods of clothing production are notorious for their waste, with offcuts and overproduction contributing to a significant environmental burden. But with 3D printing, every drop of material is used efficiently. The technology allows for on-demand production, meaning clothes are only made when they're needed, reducing overproduction and waste. Thirdly, 3D printing has the potential to speed up production times dramatically. In an industry where time is of the essence, the ability to go from design to finished product in a matter of hours is a game changer. This increased efficiency could lead to faster fashion cycles, quicker turnarounds, and more responsive design processes. However, it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges to consider. The cost of 3D printing technology is still relatively high, and its accessibility is limited. Plus, there's a steep learning curve involved in mastering this new technology. But as with any technological revolution, these hurdles are likely to be overcome as the technology matures and becomes more widely adopted. The integration of 3D printing in fashion is only beginning, but its potential to disrupt the industry is immense. The future of fashion is here, and it is being printed in 3D,